It's a lot of carrots, my friend.
Beautiful. It is a carrot cake.
I mean,
What do you want to put? You want to put okra in it?
hey friends, get those ovens ready because today Chef will be teaching us all about some sweet, sweet carrot cake using CGA's Simply Natural Coconut Oil. So let's get baking.
A closely guarded secret of mine is my carrot cake.
So this is a blessing.
It is a blessing.
This is a gift.
All the recipes we do on the show are obviously for the people of the world to enjoy. But this carrot cake is something that is very special, near and dear to me. When it's my birthday in December, I make my own cake. And carrot cake is my favorite.
So you're going to even share this with me when we're done?
I don't know. I mean, I might just take the cake and go. But then you want to have your cake and eat it too. That's the problem.
At least a small piece.
Oh, no, Kessie. Let me get started with this.
Yes, boss.
So, we have the array of ingredients here. Of course, we have our carrots, our fruit, our nuts, and all the dry ingredients, and plus our Simply Natural coconut oil.
The star of the recipe. Makes a difference?
This is I'm going to show you how this makes a difference because this is what's really make the coconut oil is what makes my cake really epic.
That's right.
Let's do this. So, let's do this. But the thing about it is, why don't you do it?
I knew this was coming, but I am prepared.
People have been saying, we want to get Kessie a little dirty again back in the kitchen.
Oh,
Come. It'll be excellent if you do that. Come, let's go. All right, so I'm going to guide you, basically.
Sure.
So, let's start with the eggs.
Okay.
Any good old cake obviously needs that egg inside there.
Can I crack an egg?
Let's see. There we go. This is what I call excellent.
We're doing all four?
We're doing all four.
Okay.
Now that we have that in, we need to bring in our CGA coconut oil.
Yeah.
The star ingredient. Do you want to pour that inside there?
Sure.
So bring that inside there and just add all of it.
Oil.
Add all of it. The beauty about this, it's almost like quick bread. So it just, all the ingredients go in together.
Okay.
And no set of drama in mixing, right?
Of course, my obvious question is why do we use oil instead of butter? Because I know we can do cakes with butter.
You can.
So why oil?
That's called the creaming method. Nothing is wrong with it. I particularly find that when you make cake with oil, like this carrot cake, it's more moist. When you feel the texture of oil, it has that nice moist feel to it. So you're going to get a moist
especially so with coconut oil, that's so
Oh my
good.
gosh,
so much
good.
better for you.
So we have our sugar inside there, white sugar.
Yes.
You can use brown sugar if you want, not a
Sure.
problem. And some vanilla essence. You want to turn on your machine and you're going to start to mix this on high.
This is the most fun time for me, mixing.
Let's go. You just want to bring it in together. That's what it is. Again, we are not creaming it because this is not butter. It is our coconut oil. It is easier. We're just amalgamating all the ingredients together.
So, like that.
There you go. Right, so you can take that off right now.
Sure.
Push that to the side.
Hold on now.
And then what we're going to do, it's like a quick
Russian
method. It's
me.
a quick method.
All right.
Right? Here what we're going to do. We have some flour here right now.
Yes.
We're going to take our dry ingredients.
Okay.
So we're going to go with baking soda inside there. We're going in with a little bit of salt, baking powder,
Right.
and cinnamon.
So baking soda, baking powder. What's that do to my cake?
You're going to get leavening from the baking soda
Right.
and the powder. And of course, you're going to get the flavor from the cinnamon inside it. Salt is very important even when doing desserts as it brings our tongue back onto a neutral palate. So we're able to discern sweetness even greater.
Brings out the flavor.
That's what we're talking about. So you want to mix this in together, just like that.
Right.
Just to amalgamate everything together. So you get an even dispersion. Makes sense, right?
Of course.
All right. So in the meantime, Kessie, while I'm mixing this,
What can I do for you?
I want you to zest for me. No, not that kind of zest. Let's get excited. We have an orange here. This is what you call a microplane zester.
Zest.
And this removes the zest of oranges, Portugal oranges, any citrus. So you start like this.
And just go around.
And it comes out on the bottom, and it falls at the bottom also.
Okay.
So you want to go around, you don't want to get that white part, you just want to
Yeah.
get the green because the white part tends to be bitter.
So we're just doing it lightly, basically.
Yeah, do the whole orange for me, please.
The whole thing?
You mean, yeah, at the end of the day, the zest actually has more flavor inside of it. I think we spoke about this when we were doing our...
Sponge cake.
Yes,
sponge cake.
Check out our sponge cake. The recipe is below also. And we spoke about the zest being used as compared to even the juice. The zest actually has more flavor inside of it. So if you're not a fond, member of the whole citrus vibe with oranges, try Portugals, grapefruits, tangelos.
Anything
also.
like that. Tangelos, so you get fancy.
I get fancy.
Just
Tangelo.
getting
Have you ever
fancy,
had a tangelo, by the way?
I have actually. It's very cute and very yummy.
You guys
They're
know
so
what?
little.
Do you guys know what a tangelo is? If so, comment below.
Comment
let us know.
below.
That's amazing fruit boy.
Now I have not done the whole thing, but I feel like I do plenty. Still some more?
Let me see. Clearly, at the end of the day, you have to be Zessa.
You're showing me up
Full
now.
pause
I
it,
don't like your
'cause you
behavior.
know how to zest the orange. Yeah.
Lord.
So you're moving like that, and this is how you would use the microplane. You just continue rotating and
I
removing the
basically
green.
did all the work for you.
Pretty
You're
much.
welcome.
Pretty much. At the end of the day, that's what you do. Am I right?
Pretty much.
Kazi, of all the time that we're doing this show, what would you think if your proficiency has risen since then in terms culinary-wise?
I mean, from the first episode where I was a little concerned about stirring all that meat in the one big pot to now, I've learned a whole lot. I'm really grateful for the experience to be able to do this with you, and with my friends at home.
And we're doing a lot of desserts these days. We started out with the quintessential Trini-based savory dishes, but now we're getting to all the favorites that we love.
Yes.
So, all right. So, what I want you to do is just try to mix that together, get the zest incorporated inside there. I'm going to take this dry mixture that we just mixed and put it into portions, maybe about 2 or 3 portions inside there.
Right?
You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready for you.
Let's go.
A little at a time, of
A little at a
course.
time. So we go inside there. Again, this has our dry ingredients, the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, the cinnamon, and of course, the flour. And why I chose to do it this method as compared to mixing it with it, you don't want to over mix the cake itself to get it tough, because over mixing could lead to that whole aspect of gluten development. Gluten is the protein inside the flour. We want to have respect for it. A cake should be nice and soft, if you get where I'm coming from. If you get a tough cake or a tough pastries because gluten has been developed, that is a protein in flour. Ready to go again?
Sure.
All right, we could just do one more again after. Looking nice. As you could tell, a beautiful color inside there. I'm seeing the specks of the zest
Orange
inside
zest,
there.
correct.
And pretty much, feel free if you would like to add maybe a tablespoon or 2 of orange juice inside here, Portugal juice. Thing about carrots and orange, they marry very well together. You've had carrot and orange juice.
Carrot juice,
There you
come
go.
on.
Woo, our
Oven.
oven is getting there. It's ready. So that's a good indication. Our dry ingredients are coming in together. And as you mix it inside, clean the edges, bring it
Of course,
around.
friend. Don't you worry, I got you.
There you go. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And we are going to start to amp up the flavor inside of this, of course, with the star ingredient.
Yeah, but you gotta give me 2 minutes, man.
You're looking good, though.
You know, I have to take my time to make sure it gets done.
I know.
You come in here and do these things quickly, but I'm learning.
True. And that is what How to Foodie Nation is all about, giving you the confidence outside there. Everybody watching us throughout the Caribbean. We have fans all throughout Jamaica, Antigua, Barbuda,
And we're all learning
Grenada.
together.
And they love the show. We get all the messages all the time. And hence, someone asked for carrot cake in the comments below. If you have any other dishes you want to learn, let us know. And
Ready.
And of course, subscribe to us,
Of course.
Hit the bell. So we added our carrots inside there.
It's a lot of carrots, my friend.
Beautiful. It is a carrot cake.
I mean,
What do you want to put? You want to put oko in it? As you're there right now, Kezi, I've decided to add a little bit of character also to it.
what you coming in with there?
I'm adding pecans as well as almonds inside here to get a crunch.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Are these the only kind of nuts? I feel like you could do maybe a walnut.
You can
What
add
you think?
walnuts inside there. Walnuts work very well. Anything that you're passionate about, peanuts, but traditionally almonds work very well inside there. And pecans, an amazing combination. Speaking about getting a little fancy also,
You're stepping this thing up.
I'm stepping it up. I personally like a little bit of mixed peel inside there.
I mean,
This is typically tends to be pieces of pawpaw or even orange,
yeah.
the segments that are
and
dry.
again, we talked about the citrus being good with the carrots. So
Correct,
this
madam.
makes sense.
You mix it inside there and it adds character. Look how beautiful it is. And the beauty about this is that the coconut oil from CGA conditions all the ingredients very well. So
Yes.
as it cooks, it stays moist.
Gives it that shine.
There you go. So I want to show you guys another trick. Let me
All the way in.
Scoot to the side there from here a bit.
Let's move this here.
I have our pan ready. This is a spring foam pan. I've
Okay.
rubbed it liberally with the same coconut oil from CGA.
So we're using oil twice.
Yes.
In here and in the
here.
pan.
Then I've dusted with some flour. That's to
Right.
prevent the sticking.
Okay,
Right?
makes sense.
So check this out. I want to show you all a trick too. A lot of times people will, pretty much cut a circle out of this stuff. The wax paper.
And that's for the bottom of the pan.
Bottom of the pan.
Right.
So what I do is I take a square piece, kind of match it to the pan, as you would see.
Right.
Makes sense, right?
Yes.
Push this to the side, and then I fold it in half like that. Understood, right?
Right.
Then I go again in half again. Make sense? After I fold it in half again, I just go into a triangle.
Yeah.
Then
You're trying to get it one more fold.
I'm trying to get it one more fold. There we go. Like that. So it's like almost like an airplane.
Right.
You all get that, right? From that point now, I just put it into the middle of the pan like that.
And you measure.
And I measure it from the point, that is this point here, to
Right.
that point.
Okay.
And then I just go around like this. See me? Push this to the side. You open up this bad boy.
Well, that was easy.
And look at that. It's a nice little trick out there for
And it
everyone
should
who's
fit
baking
in.
cakes, and it will fit perfectly inside there. Put it inside, there you go.
So therefore, the cake's not going to stick to the bottom of the pan.
Because we now have this wax paper.
And we're using a special spring foam pan. And what I like about these is you just open the bracket, raise it up.
And you're good to go.
Out. Yeah.
All right. So let me just put this to the side. Bring our cake batter back in.
Back in
Are we
here.
looking here nice?
Please tell me.
You're looking good, girl.
Well mixed.
People, look at the character of this. You're seeing the fruit inside there. You're seeing the carrots, the beautiful color inside there.
nuts.
Look at the shine you spoke about from the
And
coconut
you're
oil.
smelling that nice zest.
Very important. Zest is the secret in this, people.
Of course, if you have
Alright.
nut allergies or if you don't like mixed peel, you can leave those parts out because it would still be a great carrot cake.
Talk about a great carrot cake. Time to pour the great carrot cake.
Certainly.
So
You
you
want to
wanna-
hang on to this to me?
Yeah, you want to do it from this side? There you
Okay,
go.
sure.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
And put it inside. Look at that batter. Look at the shine on it. It's beautiful. And again, that is our coconut oil that is conditioning the batter extremely well. The shreds of the carrot, we just pretty much, I think like a pack of carrots. You
Okay.
clean the carrots, you remove the outer skins of them, and then
Right.
you shred it on a traditional box grater. That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Let's beside here,
There you
let me
are.
get this out. At this point in time, as you could see, it fits perfectly inside there. The wax paper fits to a glove. You shimmy it a little bit like that.
To get all the bubbles out.
Get all the bubbles out, and look how beautiful that looks. It has character. You see the nuts, everything inside there.
It's going to be so good.
My oven is set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am going to put this in the oven for 50 minutes.
Okay.
Let's do this. All right, Kezi. See how I cut that there with love?
Beautiful.
That's what we're talking about.
And you can see all of that good mixed peel, that carrots, those nuts, everything in there
The beauty about it is that it still has this beautiful shine as we spoke about earlier on in the game.
from our coconut oil.
It still retains that, and that obviously equals moistness.
Well, let me test
Dig
this
in now.
moisture.
Dig in now. Take it, ladies
Let's go.
first.
A nice sizable piece.
Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, look at that piece of zest inside there. You know, I've never really had carrot cake slightly warm like this. It's quite good. Amazing, huh?
Close the show.
Listen.
Close the show. Just close the show.
Listen, I've only had carrot cake mostly with cream cheese frosting on top of the end.
No, but this
But
is
this is so
not,
good.
This needs nothing.
It's like
needs nothing. It's
like-
excellent.
It's perfect tea time.
So moist, so rich,
You get-
so good.
Got the nuts inside there, right? And you see where I spoke about the oil. It keeps that nice integrity of it being
Absolutely,
moist.
absolutely.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
I can see why this is your special secret recipe.
So we did sponge cake already. Carrot
Carrot
cake.
cake. What other cakes are we missing, guys? Tell us in the comments. I mean, I feel like we need a little chocolate cake.
You want a chocolate cake?
I think we need a chocolate
Oh
cake.
my gosh. Maybe we should do a chocolate cake. Let us know. Comment.
A little coconut oil chocolate cake. How you feel?
Coconut oil is excellent when doing chocolate cakes.
We need to bring back the simply natural coconut oil.
By all means. Ladies and gents, you need to try this. It's
Please
amazing.
do. Definitely try it, guys. And of course, tell us when you do. Share with us. We love to see your pictures. We love to hear your comments and your feedback. So until next time, you know what we got to do now. Bye-bye, guys.